Hello and welcome to my listing at 106 8th Avenue North here in the town of Vulcan. Now this bungalow was built in 1994 and it's part of the Vulcan Town Greens Condo Association. Well, this condo association is for those folks 55 years of age and better. The condo fees here are $210 per month. Now that includes your lawn maintenance, snow removal, and also the exterior of the building, everything from the windows out. Now it doesn't include the windows, but everything outside the windows. And you probably heard the golf cart go behind me. We're right by the Vulcan Golf and Country Club. There's a practice hole right over there. Nice greenery. There's a golf cart path to go to the back nine. So very handy if you're a golfer. Take a look around to the side. There's common area here. You'll see a gazebo in the background. There's underground sprinklers here. Really nicely landscaped. French doors off the back. Now this is one of the few units here that doesn't share a common wall. So it's a detached unit. Walking in, now here's the living room on the right hand side with natural gas fireplace. This property's been very well kept. Pride of ownership here. See nice big windows to let the sun in, but all the window coverings are included in the sale as well, so help keep it cooler as well. Now there's 2 bedrooms in this property. Here's the first bedroom. And then you've got the entry closet. And the main bathroom is 3-piece bathroom. So sink, tub, and shower. Nice linoleum, the flooring's very easy to keep up. And here we have the dining area. Which leads us into the little dining nook and kitchen area. Notice the stainless steel appliances here. Everything's nice and crisp and clean looking, got the nice classic feel. And you can see off the French doors, the back, there is the gazebo area, the common meeting area for the residents. This pantry is included in the sale along with the appliances. And this is the den area. And nice big windows to let the sunshine in. And now we'll head into the master bedroom. Lots of room here. The master bedroom also has a walk-in closet and ensuite bath, which we'll have a look at here in just a moment. This here's for the walk-in closet. And here's the ensuite bathroom. Low flow toilets. And a soaker tub. Out to the right, got your laundry area, washer and dryer are included. And down in the basement. Basement is basically used for utility and storage. Now you'll see it's got a boiler system here. These owners, when they moved in back in 2014, one of the first things they did is they replaced the boiler system. So it's in-floor heating, which your feet will really appreciate on those cold winter mornings. Separate hot water tank there. Yeah, so no windows down here. So basically, like say for storage, or you can see they do crafts and that down here. And we'll run back up. The garage. Now it's an attached single car garage. See the canister over here. So there is central vac system throughout here. The attachments are included in the sale. So if anyone had any mobility issues coming in from the garage, this is your only step. because you don't, with the main floor laundry, you don't really need to go down into the basement. Once again, it's just for storage and for the boiler. So just to review, say this house was built in 1994, part of the the Vulcan Town Greens Condo Association for those aged 55 or better. Condo fees, once again, are $210 per month. That's a little more than other condos in the area, but the other condos in the area do not include building maintenance like on the exterior. So for new shingles, building new shingles and that's the Condo Association. Through the reserves, they pay for that. So 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Master bedroom has the ensuite with soaker tub. The main bathroom has a shower. Say kitchen with dinette. There's dining area and the den. Plus, of course, the living room with natural gas fireplace. Now, as stated before, this is located next to the Vulcan Golf Club. You're literally just across the street from the golf cart path and head into the clubhouse down the street. So if you have any questions about this property, please give us a call at 403-485-6901 or visit us on the web at magnusonrealty.com. Once again, this is 106 8th Avenue North here in the town of Vulcan. Thank you for joining me today. Hope everyone stays safe, stays healthy, and live long and prosper.